What's up, YouTube? I just want to show you a quick tip on trying to figure out how to match the right thread with your grips. So we got some wind grips here in the orange, and I had two different oranges that I took, and what I did is I'm trying to match up to see which orange looks better. Now I'm feeling this dark orange here, that's why it says DO, and this is orange from a company. I'm not going to not bother with companies right now, but I wanted to figure out which orange, if that would focus, would match those grips. So as we all know, whether it's color treated or not, they're going to change colors once you put your epoxy on. So maybe if I put this dark orange, it looks like it's gonna work really well, but maybe there's a chance that once I put the epoxy on there, it's going to change colors and darken up a little bit. So to test it, what I do is I take I have tons of these popsicle sticks, tongue depressors I should say, and I just took a little bit of thread from each spool and I cut it off and I just wrapped it up around the popsicle stick, and I take a little bottle of just plain old tap water, and all I'm going to do is spray that thread, and I'm going to rub my finger on there to darken up and get that thread saturated with water. And then I'm going to go to this side and spray it. Rub, get that thread really nice and soaked with that water, because eventually what's going to happen is this epoxy is going to get built in there too. So if I held these up to my grip, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit here and help you guys out. Come on, focus. So we have orange. Orange is not bad now that it's darkened up, but I think this dark orange is going to be the winner here. Check that out again. Yep, dark orange is it. So that's what I do with my threads if I have a question about color and matching the colors of whatever's on the rod. Hope you like this tip. If you like more, make sure you subscribe, give me a like. I'm loving the new subscribers, those that have been with me from the beginning. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and hacks for rod building, and ask me any questions if you need anything. Thanks, and have a great day.